According to the DNR report, the poacher shot the chimp's mother and father, and they were taken to court to prove that the man was guilty and put on a wall of shame. He grabbed the baby gorilla, the baby chimpanzee, and ran. A spotter called tip line while running after him, and he jumped in front of him, and he grabbed his gun and tried to shoot him. When he saw his chopper, he had a plan. The pig shot several times to his copter, but only damaged it, trying to shoot the guy. Later, DNR officers came. The guy shot a DNR officer, and the DNR officer fractured his arm and leg in his rib cage. He is now at the hospital for surgery. The baby chimpanzee is taken to a local zoo at Bird Island for great care, so that the parents there can teach him how to do everything.